It's Thursday, November 3rd. And honestly, beautiful day in the neighborhood. We are so fortunate. So Ray's been busy. My seamstress Ray, Longleaf Bags, who's one of my great associates, she has come out with some Christmas project bags. And do we love these or what? Look at these sweet, very vintagey looking characters and snowmen. She put some very cool candy cane lining, and there's pockets on the inside right there. So you've got lots of places to put stuff. These are great drawstring bags. They'll hold a project no problem. There's a nice web handle. These are $55. So this is the 1950s sort of look. And then we have the, probably in the same era, more like the 60s, we have the bug, right? The beetle. So, and the mittens and the Christmas trees and the packages, again, cute, cute, cute. And she put polka dots in this one. So cute. Love these, $55. Christmas bag, great Christmas gift for your favorite knitting or crocheting person. Love it. All right, I got back in this yarn. I had it, and we really enjoyed it. Loved it. It's sparkly. It's got all kinds of possibilities. Sandy is working on a shawl, a crocheted shawl right now, so I don't have that to show you. But there are patterns out there. So this is Marlene Luxe is the name of it. And it's $13 a ball, and it's got a slub and right there like that. So it has a slub. Can you see that slub? It comes up every once in a while, and it's got the little glitzy. So pretty. Love, love, love it. There is 150 yards in one. So I have charcoal gray. I have pale gray. This is from Lang. I'm sorry, Marlene Luxe from Lane. This is a pale gray, really beautiful. Then like a champagne. Can you see that? So pretty. White, of course, or cream. Really nice. Especially good for crochet, but great for knitting. I think you could run this with a mohair and make something beautiful. A lovely scarf. Here's gold. Oof, you know I love gold. Then we have salmon. Love that. And this peachy. Love that. And last but not least, olive green. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. $13 a ball, 150 yards. Take about 3 balls to make something. So lots of great ideas. All right. My team was brainstorming, and we have come up with an idea for our decorating our Christmas tree outside. So every year we have a green Christmas tree out in front of the store, and all over town, they put these trees up all over town, and different merchants decorate them. And then there's a contest, and you have to vote online, and you vote, and the one who gets the most votes wins. I'm sorry, we have had the most amazing Christmas trees several years. We never win. We never win. The challenge is on. I am calling upon all of you to partake in this year's Christmas tree decorating and winning. We need you to vote. So our theme this year is boho. Boho, right? You know how big boho is right now with crocheted granny squares and fringe? We're into it. I need you to crochet granny squares out of any yarn you've got. Remember, it's going to be out in the weather. Any yarn, any color, make them at least 10 inches. Like 10 inches is probably good. Then we won't take quite as many to wrap and tie together around the tree. And then we're going to put fringe all the way around the bottom. We are going to boho it up. And the name of our tree is going to be Bo Ho Ho Ho. What? I love it. I think it's hilarious. So it's a boho tree this year. I need your participation because I need granny squares fast. We have to put this up on the 27th maybe. So get granny squaring away. Or if you have a pile that you have and you never put that blanket together, or if you have an old blanket you don't really like, give it to us. We'll take it apart. We'll use it. It'll be perfect. All right? It's the boho ho tree. We're going to win this year, I promise. Who knows? Maybe. All right. I will see you tomorrow.